Here's our live day trading recap of our two trades we took today on NASDAQ and Bitcoin. NASDAQ was a loser, Bitcoin was a winner, ending the week green for us on Bitcoin, which is really awesome because we're really trading live $5,000. So that's money we can pull out today if we wanted to. Let's start off with the losing trade of what happened, what did NASDAQ do, and then let's go to Bitcoin and break down that winning trade of what happened and what do we do to execute that model. We are breaking down the 1 minute kill shot. That is what we take every single day when we day trade. I know we've been getting a lot of questions asking us to break this down. So here is a breakdown of the exact model of what we do on NASDAQ and Bitcoin. All right, here's NASDAQ. NASDAQ at market open was this candle right here, this 9:30 a.m. candle. Price came down to these levels, closed below them, never giving us a long opportunity, which would have been amazing if we could have captured a long opportunity, but it didn't give it to us. So we're not going to force something. What I did here was price came up to Asia high. This line right here is Asia high. You can maybe see the text over here to the right-hand side. That is Asia high right there. It failed to displace not once, not twice, not 3 times, but 4 times it failed to displace Asia high. I went down after it failed to displace and leaving wicks above. We got that 5-minute liquidity sweep verification. Now we go down to the 1 minute and look for a 1 minute inverse fair value gap, which we have right here. As you can see, trade didn't play out. Trade didn't play out. We put our limit order at the bottom of the inverse fair value gap. Stop loss goes to the top of the liquidity sweep. This was originally where stop loss was at, but because we were able to capture a 5-minute order block here, right here, we were able to capture a 5-minute order block. We're able to take off about 7 points of risk, moving our stop loss down. And then we got stopped out on this big 1 minute candle right here. Now, we only took 1 contract on this position. We typically do 3. But the reason why I did 1 is because this was a 63-point stop loss. Okay, massive stop losses on this trade. I didn't love it. I definitely didn't want to risk 3 on this. This is way too big, but I didn't want to ignore my model and I wanted to execute even though my model is presenting itself. So what do? We lower our risk and lower our contract size. That's okay. As you can see, we get stopped out. The frustrating thing with NASDAQ is it stopped us out to then run all the way down, pretty much almost to our target. Super frustrating. It's super frustrating. I was trying to look on higher time frames, like, why the heck did you do this to me? Right, this previous 4-hour candle went into the fair value gap and pushed off. We hit into discount, so on and so forth. Like, we hit a key level, and instead price wanted to stop me out, then run down to my take profit. So NASDAQ's been frustrating lately. Here's the exact P&L that we took on that trade. This is across 13 different accounts. We took $3,948.10 loss on our trading account today. Now let's break down Bitcoin and let's show us the winning trade. I wanted to close off on a win. So let's go into Bitcoin and look at what do we do over there. Here's our Bitcoin trade. Here's the 9:30 a.m. opening candle. Price came up to one of our targets, this 5-minute high here, leaving a nice wick off that level. What do? Once we get that 5-minute liquidity sweep, you know what we do. We look for that 1 minute kill shot of an inverse fair value gap. Boom. Inverse fair value gap inverts on this 9:40 a.m. candle on the 1 minute time frame. Then we get tapped in on the 9:42 a.m. candle. And look at this displacement candle. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Never even really sat in drawdown. Pushed down, came down, tapped our TP perfectly. Like, look at this. Let me zoom in for you. Look at how perfect that tapped our TP down there. Perfect tap into our TP. We're able to lock in 75% of our position and take a TP there. Stop loss stayed at the 5-minute order block. That was right here. This 5-minute order block. We ended up getting stopped out. Now, the frustrating thing was we wanted to target at least this low here. Price stops us out to then go and target that low. Super frustrating. NASDAQ stops me out today. Bitcoin stops me out to then go even further. This price action lately has been driving me nuts, but it's okay. Bitcoin ended a dub. Here is our actual P&L on Bitcoin as the day closed out. $67.96 is what we took on our Bitcoin trade. And this is real money. This is on our $5,000 account we've opened up on Blowfin. Go check it out. Go use a link down below in this video and take advantage. We're giving away a Rolex right now on Blowfin, so go utilize that. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment down below if you have any questions, if you want me to deep dive into my strategy, or if there's a specific video you'd like me to create. Right now, we're working on creating some more videos, specifically on my 1 minute kill shot. I want to educate you guys on prop firms. I want to show you guys how to get evals passed, so on and so forth. So Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and go follow us on Instagram and TikTok. We do a lot of content over there also and keep you guys in the loop on my Instagram stories and stuff like that. So go follow that over there. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I hope this was educational, and I hope my mistakes allow you to be more profitable. Have a great rest of your day. I'll see you guys Monday.